Bronze, or bronze surface, is almost never exposed to the environment unprotected. Usually the bronze surface is patinated with different chemicals to achieve certain color of a surface, or it is heat treated and later protected. Usually artists and restorers use various waxes and varnishes. Some varnishes that contain substances, inhibitors that slow down the aging of the coating or provide additional protection for metal surfaces. In this project, we have developed special types of protections based on fluoropolymer coatings that have very good properties such as hydrophobicity, stability, good barrier properties. However, because they have poor adhesion, we also developed an adhesion promoter in various combinations at the same time. When the coating is applied to a patinated bronze surface, its properties must be evaluated and the effectiveness of the protection determined. We check the color values as well as wettability. We also study the electrochemical corrosion properties in the simulated rain simulation in order to evaluate the effectiveness of the protection on the various patina formed on the bronzes. This is how we developed a versatile protection system for bronze. According to our studies, the bronze surface on the Tartini monument originally did not have any protection coating. In further proceedings, restorers will apply protection system that was defined in conservator manual.